This is I Practice Stitchcraft. I'm Nicole. It's been a little while since I recorded, and as you can see, this is a little bit of a different setup as to the way I normally record. For those of you who don't know, I am a teacher, and today's my first day of summer break. Yesterday was my last day of school. It is my tradition for myself to relax and sit on the couch and drink coffee and stay in my pajamas all day on the first day of summer. But I got 2 boxes from the Black Needle Society in the mail yesterday. And I really couldn't wait to open either of them, so I'm trying to do this recording where really all you're looking at are the boxes. I can't quite figure out how to do it directly from above. I don't know that I have the right gear for that. I just record on my computer. So we're going to make this work the best we can. Our July boxes for Black Needle Society came early this year, or this month, I should say. It is June 22nd, and this is the July box, the Pirate Life Stitching. So I'm going to try to share with you guys what's in here in this new filming setup. Luna's hanging out to my right, making some sounds, so hopefully that's not too much for you. I gave the new puppy a bone, but she's playing with her toys, so you might have some of that sound, but hopefully it'll keep her busy long enough to record this. I am planning on recording a regular Flosstube. I know it's been quite a while. The end of the school year and some personal life stuff just got a little crazy, so that kind of fell to the wayside. But I'm planning on recording a traditional Flosstube, I should say, this week. So cross your fingers. Hopefully that'll happen. And hopefully my zoo of a household cooperates long enough to record this. So in any event, I have not opened this box yet. We're going to experience it together. This is always one of my favorite things. Stitchy magic packed up just for you. So let's get into what's in the box. This month's spoiler card. Super cool with the theme. I'll try to tell you a little bit about what's in the box from the card as we go. The card always talks about which boxes are currently available, which is Resolution Stitching, which is the November box. There's always a little letter, which I'll read for myself later on. On the back, it shows you the photo challenge for the box, as well as some of the photos that are from the last photo challenge from the last box, which was the Pride Month box. So let's get into it. I'm going to pull off the first thing that I see immediately, which is, excuse me, a little tumbler, and it says, ooh, drink up me hearties, yo-ho. There's a straw that goes with it in here. So, little tumbler situation. All this crinkling has gotten the puppy's attention. She's down here trying to see what's going on. That says, drink up tumbler designed by Pemberley Pond. It's important to stay hydrated while out at sea. Just ask those poor sailors who thought a manatee was a mermaid. Use this water tumbler to stave off cabin fever. Very cute. There is a cute little Needleminder here. got the ship steering wheel, a pirate pumpkin, and like a baby pirate pumpkin. It's made exclusively for the Frosted Pumpkin Stitchery. Let's see what the card says. Designed by the Frosted Pumpkin and made by Needle Runs Through It. We are so excited to have our first guest Needleminder designers be the amazing team at the Frosted Pumpkin. Perfect to use with your new pattern. Let's see what other goodness is in here. Ooh. We've got this little bag, little reusable bag here. Oh, cute. It says Pirate Life for Me. Looks like a little thread keep here. Let's see what... Let's see what this says. Skull and Bones thread jewelry. Keep your threads for your next project safe from the clutches of swashbucklers with this exclusive thread jewelry. So I called it a thread keep. They're calling it thread jewelry. Put your threads on the ring. Super cute. Let's see if I can show you that a little closer. And then there's also the anchor charm on there. Super cute. Five Fire Swamp Burn Balm. It's made by 5 Dirty Kits. I forgot to say, the thread keep that was in here was made by Count Twice, Stitch Once. All right, back to the balm. Just in case the 3 terrors of the fire swamp, flame spurt, lightning sand, and ROUSs, and in scorching, keep this burn balm nearby, perfect for soothing minor burns, including sunburn this summer. As someone who gets sunburned just by thinking about the sun, I think this will come in handy. Seems to have, it was pretty hot when this was delivered. It seems to have melted a little on me here. Yeah, it's coming apart. The summer heat in my mailbox. Well, we'll try to open that later. It smells good. Rub in what got on my hands there. All right, continuing on. Oh, nice. Beautiful thread pack here. This is Captain's Thread Pack made by Mystical Diamond Art. So there's 4 threads in here. Pull it apart so you can see it a little better. Okay. Oops. So pretty. We upgraded your floss pack this month to include thread inspired by 4 of our favorite pirate captains. So this one is One-Eyed Willie for all the Goonies fans out there. Nice neutral kind of tan to almost white, kind of off-white, I guess. Beautiful. Captain Hook. This pink one. Dread Pirate Roberts. Got beautiful gray variegation here. Has almost a blue undertone to it. And of course, Captain Jack. It's gray to blue. Ooh, delicious. Stunning. Beautiful threads. Put them back in the little Ziploc for safekeeping. I don't want to get any burn balm on them. Okay. Continuing on. Oh, wow. Looks like some finishing materials here. This is Captain Hook's Pirate Booty, made by Lady Dot Creates. Finish your next piece in Captain Hook style. We asked Louise, I apologize, I don't know, to create this exclusive finishing pack with elements inspired by the famed pirate captain. We think our favorite pieces are the crocodile and clock charms she found to include. So let's look at what's in here. Crinkle, crinkle. So here's the charms. Really nice. And there's some purple ribbon. And some lace. And a black velvet fabric swatch. I wonder if this is for the pattern that's included. I guess we'll see when we get there. Try to keep everything put together. Bear with me while I put this stuff back in the bag. I did a terrible job of that. I'll straighten that up. All right. Oh, cute. Look at this headband. Super cute. High Seas headband made by Fable Bands. Don't let the wind on the high seas blow your hair in your face. Keep it tamed with this exclusive faux knot headband. Well, that'll be great to wear at the beach this summer. Look at the mermaid. Has this kind of cool, like, vintage tattoo feel to it, which is kind of neat. Wow, check this out. I got some temporary tattoos. Stitchers never say die. That's what this one says. And this one says, Goonies never say die. It says Goonies Temporary Tattoo Duo, designed by Bookmarked Tattoos. Goonies may never say die, but Stitchers love to say hand-dyed. Wear these one-eyed Willy-inspired temporary tattoos the next time you pillage your stash. P.S. You may be familiar with this artist. She also curated this box, and her name is Katie. So Katie designed these really cool tattoos. Oh, I see. Die, D-I-E. And then the never is crossed out, die, D-Y-E. Cute. Took me a minute, but I got there. I don't know. My nephews may steal these from me. Oh, look at this fabric. Beautiful. Black Pearl by Jody of the Steel City Stitchers. I got 32 count Lugana. Oh, it's beautiful. So the one side, I don't know if the camera's picking it up. It's hard for me to see at this angle. The one side has glitter. And the other side is non-glitter. Which is kind of cool because you really could pick to stitch on it either way, depending on your preference. Beautiful. Look at that modeling. Super nice. That's Luna saying hello. Black pearl fabric made by Steel City Stitchers fabric. This gorgeous, wow. This is how you know I need to eat. I didn't eat lunch, so lunch and dinner. I can't even read anymore. This gorgeous fabric from Jody shimmers like the light catching on a dark ocean water. But don't worry, we don't think there are any pirate curses on your cut. Oh, I hope not. Oh, can't wait to use that. That's beautiful. All right, and last but not least is the pattern, which is from the Frosted Pumpkin. Hush, hush, Luna. I'm sure you are blowing people's eardrums out. Oh, how cute. It is the Treasure Trove Trio by the Frosted Pumpkin Stitchery. How cute. We absolutely love this tropical pirate pattern from the talented team at the Frosted Pumpkin. We hope it doesn't stay buried along in your stash. We know we can't wait to begin stitching it. Oh my goodness, look at this little octopus. He's holding a pirate ship. So cute. So this looks like it uses all DMC, which is nice. So cute. Little petite treasure braid. Let's see some of like the little pirate booty on the bottom. So cute. Well, as always, the Black Needle Society has knocked it out of the park with their Pirate Life stitching box. I look forward to these every other month. It's always a little ray of sunshine. So, thank you, Black Needle Society. I can't wait to use some of these wonderful materials you have sent. I also have my Frogwarts Retreat box. I'll do that in a separate video. I hope to see you guys again soon. Please like and subscribe if you're interested in seeing more content. You can also follow me on Instagram, same username. Bye, guys.